Okay, a very nice bungalow here in Costa Calma, Fuerteventura for 56 euros a day. Incredible actually. A flat TV, fridge, a microwave, stove, a washing machine. Yeah, perfect actually. And I see a lot of plates, drinking glasses. Actually, very perfect place. Just the check-in was terrible. The worst check-in in my life. One of the worst experiences in general in my life. Look at the stairs up to the bedroom and to the bathroom. A really good place for 56 euros. Look at that. The bedroom. Wow, a nice view. A pretty good deal. And over there, I think up there, there is even a surfboard. Not a good one. Nothing for me actually. The bathroom. Ooh, cool man. Hot water, shower. Yeah. A pretty good deal actually. For 56 bucks, 60 bucks actually. 56 euros, I think. C'est parfait. Look at that. Yeah, there's also a place for sitting outside. Wow, cool man. I'm here in Costa Calma now, Fuerteventura. Try to walk down to Sotavento and to Risco del Paso. Todavía no sé. I know yet. But anyways, it's super nice in here, Costa Calma. It's really enjoyable. Not like working in a motherfucking factory, a corn seed factory for example. A poisonous factory where you kill yourself. Turn off and turn on. bad actually. Not good for filming. Not good to film it. Things like that. Sounds weird. Sotavento now. Sotavento. Cool. Where is there any ugly windsurf center? Ugly. It sounds Swiss, but he's not. Would have invented kitesurfing, there wouldn't be the kitesurfers, wouldn't be kitesurfers, or wouldn't be surfers at all, I think, because it's sport for the masses. Look at that, Playa Sotavento. Big German-owned van, amazing. Finally, I reached my point. The Rene Egli Windsurf Center in Java. But there is no wind. I don't give a shit about that. Unfortunately, I'm not a kite surfer. And next week I will be back to my country for windsurfing. There must be another windsurf center over there in Risco del Paso. Our friends went there 2-3 years ago. Risco del Paso. Je crois que oui. Karma, karma, karma will get you, French. I think this is Risco del Paso already. Yes, I guess so. Umbrella borders everywhere. Perfect for windsurf learning, supposedly. Yeah, that's the windsurf center over there. Wow. I think it's better here, I don't know. I just don't know. No need to. I am already. This is the Iron Club, I think, in Fuerteventura. More than amazing. I'm quite far right now. Perfect conditions for windsurfing, I mean for learning. Incredible. right spot for learning. Definitely.